In your BNTouch CRM, communication with your borrowers and partners can be managed and automated in the Marketing tab. Here, a campaign represents marketing that is sent to a group of people, not necessarily an individual email or text message sent to a specific person. It could be going to borrowers, partners, other BNTouch users, or yourself. Campaigns can be sent via email, SMS text message, phone call, mobile notifications, and more, depending on which BNTouch modules you have activated. Campaigns can be added to your account in multiple ways, but this training video will explain how to create a new campaign from scratch. If you want to learn more about using pre-made campaigns from BNTouch, please watch the Downloading Campaigns from the Content Exchange training video in this series. This video will cover how to create and set up a new campaign, but you will also need to add steps and triggers to a campaign before you use it for your marketing. When finished with this training, BNTouch recommends that you watch the Step 2 Campaign Steps and Step 3 Campaign Triggers videos for a complete understanding of how campaigns work. If you need to learn how marketing works in BNTouch and how to automate your campaigns, check out our Getting Started series videos for an introduction to marketing. All campaigns in your account are listed in the Marketing tab of your CRM. To create a new one, just click the Add Campaign button above the list. In this screen, you'll be able to add a name and description for your campaign. These can only be seen by your CRM users. They will not be sent to clients in marketing messages. To help client identify the campaign in the case of opting out, you can enter a title in the Name Visible on Unsubscribe Page field. You can use the Campaign Group drop-down menu to add it to any group in the Marketing tab for organizational purposes. The following options let you configure settings for the campaign. If you want to be able to add marketing material for the campaign in multiple languages and have it automatically send the appropriate language version to clients based on their preferred language option of their record, check the Multi-Language checkbox. When you are finished configuring these options, click the Apply Settings button below. If your office has multiple users, you can allow them to use this campaign or limit it to your own use with the first radio button option. To ensure no marketing messages are sent on weekends, you can opt to exclude weekends from the interval days counted by your campaigns. The Start Only Once Per Client option can be used if you have clients with multiple loans in your records. Yes will only allow the campaign to be started once for the client's account, while No will let it be run for each loan the client has. Similarly, if you have multiple clients with the same email address, you can choose whether the campaign will be run for each client or only once per email address. If enabled, Run Only on Exact Intervals will skip any campaign steps that are made pending after an interval day occurs. This only applies to interval-based steps, not exact date steps, like birthdays or holidays. To automatically apply your default template on all emails for this campaign, choose Yes for Use Default Template for all steps. This will override any templates you choose for specific steps in this campaign. If you choose No, templates can be selected for each step of the campaign without being overridden. If you want other users in your office to be able to copy this campaign for their own use and edit the copy, choose Yes for Allow Others to copy this campaign. Lastly, if you do not want the campaign to be sent to client and partner records created before a certain date, you can list it in the field below. Only records created on or after this date will be eligible for this campaign. When you are finished configuring these options, click the Apply Settings button below. You will be returned to the campaign list in the Marketing tab, and the new campaign will appear below. If you added it to a campaign group, be sure to look for that group to find your campaign. You've now learned how to set up a new campaign. Next, you'll need to add steps to it containing the actual marketing material that will be sent to your clients and partners. The next video in this series, Creating New Campaigns, Steps, Step 2, covers this process in detail. BNTouch recommends watching the entire Creating New Campaigns series in order to fully understand the marketing process in your CRM.